Welcome to the exam notifications video. We will cover the Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, or MCL recruitment for 2026. The available job details include positions for assistant foreman, electrician, and technician. The selection process involves a computer-based test covering general awareness, aptitude, and technical knowledge. This is followed by document verification and a medical fitness evaluation. Qualifications include a diploma in electrical engineering, matriculate, or an ITI 2-year course in electrician trade. Note that eligibility requirements may vary by vacancy. For more details, please read the official notification. The age limit for applicants is typically 18 to 30 years, and it varies post-wise. Details regarding age relaxations can be found in the official notification. The exam fee for general, OBC, and EWS categories is 1,180 rupees. For SC, ST, and PWD categories, the fee is nil. There are approximately 500 posts available in this recruitment drive. The application process starts on May 7, 2026, and the last date to apply is May 28, 2026. The exam date will be notified later. For more updates, please subscribe or follow the channel. The link to the official notification is available in the comment box.